Hello everyone. So today we are going to record our new video for our C++ project playlist. In this video we are going to make a calculator app, a basic calculator app that is going to perform basic arithmetic functions such as addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So let's start. I have opened our folder and yeah. So let us name it calculator.cpp. Yeah, so in this project we will create a arithmetic calculator app. Okay, so now let us start. You have to include the ice cream and then use the std namespace. Yeah, so first of all, as we are going to include only 4 functions which are going to be for addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So let us create our first function. That is going to be our function for addition. We're going to pass it two values. Let us choose float for our function's return type, as the user could use a floating value too. So yeah, float a and float b, and in this we are going to return the user a plus b. Spelling mistake over here. Yeah, for the next function we are going to create a subtract function with the same parameters. Yeah, so we are going to return a minus b, and for our next function, which is going to be a multiplication function with the same values parameters, we are going to return a multiplied by b. And for our next function, which is going to be our last function, our division function, we are again going to pass the same parameters, and we are going to pass them by value, not by reference. In this we will do a check that if our b is not equal to 0, only then it is going to return a divided by b. We are using the if else statement for our error handling, else it should tell the user that division by 0 is not possible. Yeah, so we are done with the functions. Now we are going to move on for the code of our main. So in our main code we are going to declare 3 integer float variables, which will be float number 1, number 2, and a result variable in which we are going to store the outputs for each of the function. And we are also going, as we would be using switch case, so we will also use a character data type variable called op for option. Yeah, and we will see out welcoming interface that welcome to basic arithmetic calculator. And we are going to see out dashes for a good welcoming screen for our program. Now we are going to output the user our menu. See out menu. And we will tell the user the functions that our calculator would be performing, which would be number 1 for addition, number 2 for subtraction, and number 3 for multiplication, and number 4 for division. Okay, so now we are going to ask the user to input what of the following function from the menu he wants to do. Enter your choice from 1 to 4. And we will take the input as OP value. Yeah, so and now we are going to ask the user to input both the numbers. Input both numbers. And we will see in number 1 and number 2. Yeah, so now we're going to use our switch case. That would be the following syntax: switch OP. And yeah, so for our first case, if the user enters 1, we are going to output cout. First of all, we're going to store our result. So result would be the addition function with the following numbers which the user has inputted. And now we are going to tell the user that the addition of the numbers is result, and end line. And now we're going to break, otherwise it will not output the answer. And now moving on for our case 2, if the user enters 2, we will again store our answer first in result for the function of subtract number 1 and number 2. And yeah, we're going to tell the user that the subtraction of both numbers is result handle, and again break. Now for case 3, which would be for multiplication, we will again store the output in our result variable. And now we're gonna output the user that the multiplication of the numbers is result. And now for our last case, which would be our case number 4, we will store our answer for division and we will see out that the division of the numbers is result and just a minute. Yeah, so we are pretty much done with our program, and outside the loop we will write 0. And yeah, so pretty much our program is done, and I can't see any errors yet. So now let's run our program and see how it works. So yeah, we can see that the program is working absolutely fine. It has given us the menu interface with all the options, and now let us check for addition. We will enter 1 for addition. It will ask us 2 numbers, so let us choose 13 for the first number and 12 for the second number. So yeah, we get to see that their answer is 25. Now let's rerun the program and see how it works for multiplication. We will enter 3 for multiplication, and our first number would be 12, our second number would also be 12, the answer should be 144, and yes, it is the same. And now let's again check for division by entering 0 for the second value. Let's see if our program is working for the error case too. Our first number be 12, our second number be 0. So yeah, it is working. The division is by 0 is not possible. Okay, so it is outputting it as NaN. We can fix this too by returning 0 to handle the error case also. And now also let me tell you how will it work. Spelling mistake over here. Yeah, now let's see. Now the division 1 should work out absolutely fine. 12 for the first number, 0 for the second number, and yes, division by 0 is not possible. The number's division is 0. So yeah, that's it for today. Let me know for any other videos that you guys wanted, which I should make, or any other core concept which I should start. And I would be starting the DSA playlist very soon. We will start from arrays, and then we will move further to linked lists. We will do all sort of algorithms like merge sort, quick sort, bubble sort, and I would also be covering stack, queues, heaps, binary trees, etc. So do let me know in the comment section, and please like, share, and subscribe.